If you need a special course and help, please contact me or email me. Twenty-ninth problem. Remember the special product with which we expand our integrand. Since cosine square x plus sine square x equal 1, then cosine square 3x plus sine square 3x equals 1 also. The integration of a constant is a direct integral. We convert this product of cosine and sine using the identity on the left. Sorry. Now it is simple to integrate sine 6x because it is a standard integral from the table. X minus 1 over 6 cosine x plus c. This is the answer. I show you in the table the integration of sine x. Thank you for watching.